English 1.
This is the podcast where English is part of your daily life.
I'm Sarah.
And I'm Tom. We're so happy you're here with us today.
Just relax, enjoy, and remember, no stress, no pressure.
Step by step, you'll get better every day. Well, let me think. Last week was, how can I say this? Intense. I feel like it started normally, but then everything happened at the same time.
Oh, wow. That already sounds like a good story.
Yeah. On Monday, I woke up late. See, already the past simple is attacking me.
To be honest, that's perfect. Mistakes help us learn.
Exactly. So I woke up late, I checked my phone, and I saw many messages from work. And I was like, okay, this week started badly.
That's a very real Monday feeling. So when we talk about last week, we usually use the past simple.
Because last week is finished, right?
Exactly. It started, it ended, and now it's over.
So I can say, last week I worked a lot.
Perfect sentence.
Last week I worked from Monday to Friday, and I felt very tired at the end.
That's a great example. You're already using the past simple naturally.
On Monday, I worked from home. I answered emails, joined meetings, and drank too much coffee. I didn't go outside at all.
That sounds like a typical work from home day.
Yeah, at the end of the day, I felt exhausted, but I finished all my tasks.
Let's slow down for a moment. Many verbs in the past simple are regular.
Those are the ones with ed, right?
Exactly. Work becomes worked, finish becomes finished.
So, last week I worked a lot. I finished my reports on time, and I started a new project.
Perfect. Those are all regular verbs.
On Tuesday, I stayed at the office all day. I talked with my coworkers and planned the week. I started a new project with my team.
Great use of the past simple.
But sometimes I say, yesterday I work late.
I think the correct form is, yesterday I worked late.
Right. ed again.
Now, not all verbs follow that rule.
Oh no, irregular verbs.
Yes, they change completely.
Like go becomes went.
Exactly.
So last week I went to the office 3 times.
Perfect self-correction.
On Wednesday, I went to the office early. I met my boss and discussed the project. The meeting lasted 1 hour.
That sounds very clear and natural.
I didn't say good, so that's a win.
Definitely. Some very common irregular verbs are went, did, had, saw.
Okay. Last week, I had many meetings. I did my best at work, and I saw my coworkers again after a long time.
Excellent examples.
On Thursday, I had a problem with my computer. It stopped working in the middle of the day. I felt very stressed.
Oh no.
But I fixed it in the afternoon, and I continued working.
Great storytelling, all in the past simple. When we use the past simple, we often use time expressions.
Like yesterday, last week.
Exactly. Yesterday, last night, 2 days ago.
So last week, I felt very busy. 2 days ago, I finished my main task.
Perfect.
On Friday, I finished work early. I closed my laptop at 4 p.m. I felt relaxed for the first time all week.
Friday always feels different.
Yes. After work, I watched a movie and ordered food. I didn't think about work anymore.
So, we talked a lot about work last week.
Yeah, but that wasn't everything.
Exactly. Next, we can talk about home life and free time last week.
Oh, there are more stories.
So We talked a lot about work last week, but last week wasn't only work, right?
Oh, no, not at all. Work was like the main movie, but home life was the side story.
That's a nice way to explain it. So tell me, what happened after work last week?
Let me think. Most days, I just went home and crashed. I didn't have energy to do big things.
That's totally normal. And you just used the past simple negative, didn't have.
Okay, so negatives. Last week, I didn't go out much. I didn't cook a lot. I ordered food instead.
Very realistic. And notice, after didn't, the verb is in base form. Go, cook, order.
Right, because sometimes I say I didn't went out, and that's wrong.
To be honest, that's one of the most common mistakes. It should be, I didn't go out.
Got it. Didn't plus go, not didn't plus went. On Monday night, I didn't cook. I opened the fridge, and it was empty and sad. So I ordered a pizza, watched a show, and fell asleep on the couch.
Oh gosh, that's such a Monday thing. And you used ordered, watched, fell asleep. Great past verbs.
Wait, fell is past of fall, right?
Exactly. Fall becomes fell.
See? Irregular verbs surprise me like a horror movie.
So let's use more common irregular verbs from last week. For example, eat becomes ate, drink becomes drank, sleep becomes slept, buy becomes bought.
Oh, wow. Last week, I ate too much fast food. I drank too much coffee, and I slept, not enough.
That's a very honest summary.
Sorry, I mean, not summary, it's just true. On Monday, I bought a new charger because mine broke.
Perfect. Buy becomes bought. Great.
On Tuesday evening, I went to a small store near my apartment. I bought a charger and some snacks. Then I came home and I didn't do anything productive.
That's totally fine. And great correction. Bought.
Yeah, I'm trying to catch myself. Sometimes I speak too fast and the past disappears.
Now, questions. This is super important for conversation. In the past simple, we use did.
Okay, give me a second. So I say, did you work last week?
Exactly. And short answers, yes, I did. No, I didn't.
Okay. Did you relax last weekend?
Yes, I did. A little. What about you? Did you meet anyone?
Yes, I did. I met a friend on Saturday.
Perfect. Meet becomes met.
But I always want to say, did you went?
Haha, I know, but it's did you go? Because after did, the verb stays in base form.
Right. Did you go? Did you see? Did you eat?
Exactly.
On Wednesday, my coworker asked me, did you finish the report? And I said, yes, I finished it. But then I thought, wait, should I say, yes, I did?
Good question. Both can work. Yes, I did is short and natural. Yes, I finished it is more specific.
Oh, that makes sense. So, yes, I did is like a quick answer.
Exactly.
Okay. Last week, I didn't go out much because I felt tired.
Great sentence. And you used because naturally.
Yeah, I felt stressed at the start of the week, but I felt better on Friday.
Oh no, but you're telling the story really well.
On Thursday, I had that computer problem again. The screen went black during a meeting. Seriously, worst timing. I panicked, I tried to restart it, and I looked very unprofessional.
Thanks. My boss asked, what happened? And I said, my laptop, it died. Then I borrowed a coworker's computer and continued the meeting.
Perfect use of past verbs. Asked, said, borrowed, continued.
And emotionally, I felt embarrassed. But later, people laughed and they understood.
So what about your home life last week? Cleaning, shopping, small things?
Let me think. I cleaned my apartment on Sunday, but I didn't clean during the week. It became kind of messy.
That happens. And again, didn't clean, perfect negative.
I also did laundry on Saturday morning. I hate laundry, but I did it anyway.
That's a very real adult sentence.
On Friday night, I felt free. I finished work early, I took a shower, and I put on comfortable clothes. Then I went out for the first time that week.
Oh, wow. Where did you go?
I went to a small restaurant with a friend. We ate pasta, we drank lemonade, and we talked for 2 hours. I forgot about work completely.
That sounds like a perfect Friday night. And your verbs were great. Went, ate, drank, talked, forgot.
Forgot is past of forget, right?
Yes, forget becomes forgot.
English is like a box of surprises. So let's talk about the weekend in more detail. What did you do on Saturday?
On Saturday, I woke up late. I didn't set an alarm, and it felt amazing. I made breakfast slowly, eggs and toast, and I listened to music.
That sounds very relaxing.
Then in the afternoon, I met my friend for coffee. We sat near the window and we people watched. We laughed about our week and we planned next week a little.
Great storytelling. And you used many past verbs naturally.
On Sunday, I stayed home. I watched a movie, cleaned a little, and prepared my food for Monday. I didn't want to feel stressed again.
That's a smart plan.
But Sunday night, I felt nervous. I thought about Monday and my meetings. I tried to sleep early, but I couldn't fall asleep fast.
To be honest, many people feel that. And you said couldn't. That's a very useful past form too.
Yeah, I couldn't sleep, so I read a few pages of a book, and finally I slept.
So we covered work, home life, feelings, and the weekend. And you used past simple in positive, negative, and questions.
Yeah, I made mistakes, but I corrected myself.
Exactly. Next, we'll do guided practice, and we'll make it even more automatic.
Okay, I'm ready. Well, kind of ready.
That sounds very relaxing. Okay, listeners, now it's time to slow everything down. This is the moment where we stop just listening and we start using the past simple.
Oh, wow. Okay, I'm a little nervous, not gonna lie.
That's totally okay. Remember, this is practice, not a test.
Right. No pressure.
Exactly. So I'll say a sentence about last week. You repeat it out loud, slowly. Last week, I worked a lot. Last week, I worked a lot. Good. Now one with a specific day. On Monday, I woke up late. On Monday, I woke up late.
Okay, that one feels easy.
Great. Now a negative sentence. I didn't go out during the week. I didn't go out during the week. Remember, after didn't, the verb stays in base form.
Right. Didn't go, not didn't went.
Exactly. Now let's practice some irregular verbs from last week. On Wednesday, I went to work early. On Wednesday, I went to work early. On Friday, I met a friend. On Friday, I met a friend. Last week, I had many meetings. Last week, I had many meetings. Great job! If you made a mistake, that's fine. Just repeat it again.
Yeah, repetition really helps.
Now, let's move from repeating to speaking more freely.
Okay. Give me a second.
Imagine someone asks you, "What did you do last week?"
Let me try. Last week, I worked from Monday to Friday. I felt tired at the beginning of the week, but I felt better on Friday.
That was excellent. You used work, feelings, and time.
Okay, one more. Last weekend, I stayed at home on Sunday. I watched a movie and prepared for Monday.
Perfect. Simple sentences are powerful.
Sometimes I forget and I say, yesterday I go to work.
I think you want to say, yesterday I went to work.
Right. Yesterday equals past, so the verb changes.
Exactly. And what if you use did?
Then I say, did you go to work? Not, did you went?
Perfect. That's a big step.
Okay, so how do I really use this in real life?
Good question. Let's make it very practical. Every evening this week, take 1 minute and think about your day.
Just 1 minute?
Yes, and say 3 sentences in the past simple.
Like, today I worked. I ate lunch at home. I watched TV.
Exactly. Short, simple, and real.
That feels doable, not stressful.
That's the idea. Talking about last week is also emotional.
Yeah. Last week, I felt stressed on Monday, but I felt proud on Friday.
That contrast is very natural.
I didn't do everything perfectly, but I learned a lot.
And that's a beautiful sentence. Okay, friends, now it's your turn.
Yes. Don't just listen, practice with us.
Practice with us in the comments below. Write 3 sentences using the past simple about last week. 1 about work or study, 1 about home or free time, 1 about the weekend. Example: last week I worked from home, I met a friend on Saturday, and I relaxed on Sunday.
Remember, mistakes are part of learning.
Exactly. We love reading your comments. The past simple is not about perfection.
It's about telling your story,
Your real life, your real week.
step by step.
So friends, thank you so much for listening to Step by Step English Channel.
We hope you enjoyed today's episode and learned something new.
Remember, you don't need perfect words, you just need words you can say today.
The key to good English is
Practice every day. Be patient with yourself. Be consistent. Step by step, you will improve.
Please subscribe, share this episode with a friend, and leave a comment.
We can't wait to hear from you. Until next time,
Keep practicing
keep smiling.
and keep learning. Bye, everyone.